pear relish out. And I did not put a lot of spices because this one can't have a whole lot of spices, but if it would have been me, it would have probably had more pickle spices in it. So let's see
It smells good.
what it tastes like.
She didn't fall over.
Nice.
Sweet,
Different.
tangy.
Mm-hmm. It still tastes like pears,
Yeah.
but with bell peppers. I'm not sure what I think about this. I don't know.
That is odd. And onions.
It's different.
You can
Onions and bell peppers and pears.
vinegar and sugar. What do you think?
I don't really know.
Me either.
What would you eat it with?
I don't
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I have to be in potato salad.
Well, I've heard people say that it's really good in potato salad, egg salad. It's good with pork. And I do believe it would be good poured over some pork after it was cooked and let it bake for just a few
Like
minutes.
glazed pork.
Like a glazed pork.
Hmm.
And
Well, that sounds doable.
some people say they like it on chips, but I don't see it on chips.
I'm waiting for the aftertaste. That's what I keep.
What aftertaste? There's not supposed to be an aftertaste.
Everything has layers.
Everything layers out on it. So yeah, so
There is a little something different after, but I don't know what it is. I think it's from the. Is there turmeric in this?
that's what it is.
That's
Tell
what
me
it
what
is.
you're tasting is
Yeah.
different.
Yeah,
It's a turmeric.
that's what it is.
It's kind of an odd taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost wants to be healthy.
But don't you think it would be good like making a potato salad?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm that great. The
Well, I put
texture
apples
is
in
so
your potato
different.
salad, and so this would be pears instead of apples, so why not? It's the same thing, pears instead of
You
apples.
put apples in potato salad?
It's awesome.
What? The texture is mushy though.
Apples is awesome.
I don't know, y'all.
It's
Okay,
not a
so-
bad taste. I'm just going to say that. It's
No,
not
it's
a bad
not
taste.
gross. It's not gross or anything.
It's an unusual
But it's
taste, something that we're not used to. It's almost like an Asian
Yeah.
taste.
Yeah.
Something
Something
different.
that I would expect in an Asian dish.
Or Hawaiian.
Maybe
Yes.
some sort of noodles or something with this, you know.
I don't know about noodles.
Yeah. Or some sort of, like you said, like a pork.
Yeah.
Egg salad.
Like instead of like sweet and sour chicken,
Yeah.
Right.
it would be
Yes, on
Yes,
the
yeah.
chicken.
On chicken, yeah.
I think that would be the
instead
best
of
way.
like an orange glaze, it's a pear
Yeah.
So
or
it's a
something.
different.
It would fit in to me with an Asian dish. That's my take on it. I mean, you know.
Okay, so pear relish. If that's what you like, go for it. I would have added a few more spicy pickle spices into it and given it more of a sweet pickle relish taste.
Yeah.
And I know that in potato salads and stuff it'd been awesome. It's going to be a little more bland because I don't have that, but I do believe it would be great. I'm going to try potato salad one day. At least one,
Yeah,
Little-
little one and
little
try
one.
it in it.
and see how it tastes. So thank you guys from Crazy Days, Deep South, and Freedom Makers.
Kind of.
Okay, so taste test 2.
I'm not gonna dip it. Don't dip it.
Yeah,
It'll
taste
change
test 2. We're going to try this on chips just because that seems like such an odd something. The salty.
Mm.
I like it with salty.
I think it'll work.
Mhm.
That's awesome.
That's way better
That gives it more.
with the saltiness.
It's more like our tomato relish
Yeah.
with that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we found a new something. Pear relish on chips so that we can save some of our salsa. Stretch our salsa a little longer. We got 4 of these half pints to eat. So you'll be eating it with chips.